Okay, so here's the day. Started off with a little motivation, and we finished off with 1,000 profit. I mean, didn't finish off. It's 1 p.m. 1 p.m. and it is the 4th. Where's the day at? I wanted to show them. 1 p.m. June 4th, and that's what I made this morning before 1 p.m. And I actually want to show you guys this because for me, seeing is believing, you know, and I grew up in a place where it wasn't normal for people to be making this kind of income, you know, from home, part-time, from their phone while they're sleeping. It wasn't normal. So I just want to show you guys this. You know, this is my account with the broker. You guys can see my name. You can see approved. Basically, these are transfers. You guys check out my name right there, Nicholas Pena. You can see this is approved status, 9 grand, 9 grand, 800, 800, 1,200. These are approved. Basically, just kind of showing you guys this is real income. You know, this is real. Because for me, a while ago, to see somebody make that sleeping, I would even believe like, there's no way this could be real. Anyways, what I want to do for you is I want to show you how simple the simple profit trading system really is. I'm going to show you the 3 things you need to learn in a couple minutes, and my goal is to inspire you and make you and show you like you can do this. You can really do this, and I'm going to show you right now. Okay, so these are the 3 things you need to know. Number 1, the trend. What that means is finding which way the market's going. Is it going up? Is it going down? Number 2 is support and resistance. These are areas where price has been before, and it basically got rejected, and it basically came back down or came back up, and it bounced off the same point, okay? Number 3 is patterns. There's 3 patterns that you need to know for this system to work, okay? And the cool thing about all of these is you can learn these in a week, literally in a week, in a couple days. For some of you, I know some of you are smart. You can learn it in a day or 2. I have students picking this up, learning it in a day or 2, okay? So first off, let's start with the trend, okay? So the market is gonna move up and down, okay? Very simple. We wanna go through and buy in up trends. Like when the market's going up, we wanna look for areas to buy. When it's going down, we wanna look for areas to sell. Let me go through and pull up this on my chart and show you. This is actually what I was looking at last night when I made, you know, $1,000. You guys can see right here. Okay, the market is in a downtrend. You can see it's going down. So we're gonna be looking for specific areas to enter. What happened here is I actually found an area that acted as resistance, and I saw this pattern right here. And I'll go over this right here. These are the 3 things. I literally found the 3 things you need. Downtrend, a point of resistance, and then I saw this pattern right here, which I go over the patterns in the training. I go over how to find these points in the training. I'm just gonna show you quickly. I found these 3 things. That's all you need to do, okay? So you need to be able to look at the market and decide, is it going up? Is it going down? That's step 1, okay? Step 2 is going through, and I go through and break this down a lot more in the training. Right now, my goal is to inspire you that you can do this because it really is simple once you go through the training. So you go through and you see the market is going down, okay? It's going down. And sometimes the market will go through and actually go to the same point again and then continue to go down, okay? At this point, you go through and are gonna look for specific patterns. One of the patterns I go through and teach you is this one right here, where the market's coming up and then the following candle is bigger. Candle is just a term and it's used to define price, okay? It gives a visual representation of price. So market comes up, you see a small candle followed by a bigger candle, these other confirmations would signal you to sell. And that's exactly what I did last night. So these are the 3 things you need to know, okay? Within this information, it's something that if you go through and put in time every single day, you put in effort every single day, and you go through and work with my team, you can learn this too, okay? So here's what we're gonna do. We have a special offer for you. All you have to do is click the link below to go through and check it out. And once you go through and decide to work with us, I'll actually go through and even have a coach help you get set up with this and answer any questions. So with that, hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you in the training.